Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making yourself easy to meet, sleep, eat, and be on campus regularly. Once done, enroll in 2-3 clubs or classes that attract people you actually like. Go to the first few sessions. Make sure to have 3 simple openers ready: a comment about class, a compliment, or asking about the activity. Use brief eye contact and a smile when you approach. This lowers friction and signals safety, so people respond more readily to your first reach out. Now move from meeting to bonding by using micro-commitments. Ask for help, offer class notes, or suggest coffee after the next session. Make sure to balance listening and sharing. Aim for roughly 60% listening and 40% revealing a short, relatable detail. Once someone agrees to one small plan, convert it into a recurring contact point like a study group or weekly club shift. These repeated interactions build familiarity fast because predictable repetition makes people include you in their social map. To solidify relationships, invite people to low-pressure group hangouts and slowly increase one-on-one time as trust grows. Once you have regular plans, make sure to show consistent reliability, be on time, follow through, and check in. If someone ghosts or cancels repeatedly, follow up once to clarify, and if there's no change, redirect energy toward others. This troubleshooting keeps your social pool healthy while you maintain 3 dependable.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.